The irony is undeniable. You're here, captivated by a self-improvement video, a tool designed to enhance your life. Yet, its core message implores you to stop consuming these very videos. This paradox urges us to reconsider what true self-improvement entails and how we pursue it. Adulthood brings a heightened sense of self-awareness. You're conscious of every decision, both good and bad, and understand the consequences. You know the value of waking up early and establishing a morning routine. But last night, you stayed up late, scrolling through your phone until the early hours. When your alarm sounds at dawn, you groggily hit snooze, thinking, maybe tomorrow. You recognize the benefits of reading more books. They expand your mind and broaden your horizons. Yet, the constant barrage of notifications on your phone often proves more tempting. You know why you feel anxious? Too much time indoors, away from natural light and fresh air? But you continuously find reasons not to step outside. We often understand what we're doing wrong, but lack the courage or discipline to change. Human nature gravitates towards the path of least resistance. We find ourselves caught in a loop of good intentions, but poor execution. This is where the allure of self-improvement content becomes a trap. One of the most straightforward steps in self-improvement is to stop consuming and start acting. Let me explain why. You might have clicked on this video expecting another self-improvement guide. But I'm here to share a different perspective. Endlessly consuming self-improvement content won't provide lasting motivation. It's comforting to know that experts offer solutions to your problems. You listen, take notes, and plan for self-betterment. This can be helpful occasionally, but for many, it becomes an obsession. I believed that more content would help me become the best version of myself. However, the more I consumed, the more I realized these were just instructions I already knew. It felt like procrastination, distracting me from doing the real work. I remained the same person with the same habits and mindset. I had plans, but never took consistent action. Here's the truth. You don't need another self-improvement expert to tell you what to do. Now, let's talk about taking real steps towards improvement. Imagine you want to get fit. You watch countless videos on the best exercises, diet plans, and fitness routines. You take notes, set goals, and feel motivated. But if you never actually hit the gym or change your diet, all that information is pointless. The same principle applies to all areas of your life. Consider learning a new skill, like playing an instrument. Watching tutorials and reading guides can only take you so far. You need to practice, make mistakes, and learn from them. Only through action can you truly improve. Reflect on what you already know you should be doing. Maybe it's waking up earlier, reading more, exercising, or spending more time outdoors. You don't need more advice, you need to start. Start small if you have to, but start. Think of self-improvement content as a map. It can show you the way, but it won't walk the journey for you. You have to take the steps yourself. The journey is uncomfortable and requires effort, but that's where growth happens. Think about the moments in your life when you experienced the most growth. Were they times of ease and comfort, or times when you pushed yourself beyond your limits? Growth often comes from struggle, from doing the hard things we'd rather avoid. Let's make a plan together. Choose one area you want to improve. It could be anything: health, productivity, relationships. Write down one small, actionable step you can take today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. For example, if you want to get fit, do a 10-minute workout right now. If you want to read more, pick up a book and read for 10 minutes today. Consistency is key. Small steps, taken consistently, lead to significant changes over time. Remember, the goal is not to consume information, but to transform it into action. Accountability can also play a crucial role in self-improvement. Share your goals with someone you trust. Check in with them regularly about your progress. This external accountability can help you stay on track when your motivation wanes. Real change happens when you take action. Start your journey of real self-improvement now.